I know you're trying to cut it even, but we have all this stuff hanging over, and some of this tape's not sticking that well. So you're just saying they're not giving you good enough material?
No, because they don't give me nothing today.
Nothing today?
Nothing today. They have to give me glue or something. They don't give me nothing. She's going to fix. How we gonna fix if the company don't give me nothing?
Yeah, well, I told him exactly what the problem was.
Yeah, but this is okay.
Yeah.
It's better work this than the glue.
Yeah, I agree. It works better. The tape, carpet tape works better than glue.
This two face.
Yeah, it's still really thin.
Yeah.
You think it's gonna? How's it do in the rain and the snow and?
No, don't matter. Don't matter.
Doesn't matter. You think it'll be okay in the winter?
Okay. Yeah.
My only concern then right now is, I mean, it's cutting it straighter, and I know that's just. I know you're trying, but you agree it's not straight.
Yeah.
When we stand over and look at it, it's. What are your thoughts? How could we make this better? So you said the last carpet we had was so much better?
For me, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, if you can stand out and look at it and it looks straight, then I'm going to say it looks good. But right now it's pretty ragged. And for you to drive out here and not have it where you'd even think you agreed that it was straight. And then we've got places, do you have something to get the glue off of the carpeting without hurting the carpeting?
No.
There's glue here. My guess is if you dissolve the glue, it's going to dissolve the carpeting. No, that's not glue. There's glue on the concrete over here. You guys need agua? Need water or anything?
Okay. Yeah.
Sí.
¿Tienes agua?
Okay. Dos? Uno?
Dos.
Okay, sí.
Thank you.